Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I'm gonna unbox my iPhone 16 from T-Mobile. So, ito pala siya. iPhone 16 na yung kinuha ko kasi nagsawa na ako sa tatlong camera. Yung dati kong cellphone is iPhone 14 Pro. So, tatlo yung camera. Ngayon, I just get iPhone 16 with 2 camera. And it's black. Black siya. So, I'm gonna unbox it. Hirap buksan. Ang hirap niyang buksan. Oops. Come on. Come on, iPhone 16. Be good to me. So, open it. Oopsie. Yep. Oh my gosh. This is it. So, ito pala siya. Oh. Oh, diba? So, black siya, black. iPhone 16 black. And we're gonna try it, okay? So, let's gonna do the EI Techno Intelligence. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. It's try sit up later. So, I'm just gonna sit up that later. And then I'm gonna try to ask Siri. Oh, I need to sit up Siri either. I could turn on Siri. Voice 1.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Okay, that's good. Next, improve Siri and dictation. Okay, not now. Oh, so this is it. This is it. Ano pang gagawin ko nito? Oh. So I need to make my Apple account. Maybe I'm gonna do it later. I'm just gonna ask something to Siri. Hey Siri, how are you? Oh, she did it. He said, hi there. I feel good. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for asking. Oh, come on, Siri. Can you have a voice, Siri? I don't have an answer to that. It's something else I can help with. Oh my gosh, Siri. You're quite naughty. And then the iPhone 16, ang dala lang niya is charger wire. Wala siyang adapter. Kaya kailangan mo pang magbili ng adapter which cost $20. So yan, wala. Talagang ano lang siya. And then, maganda siya. Yan, dami ko pang dapat i-sit up. So it's good. It's really good. I try to take selfie if it is good or not. Oh, sit up later. I'm just gonna do like this one. Selfie. Ooh. Oh, this is good. Well, we can adjust it in here. Look, that's my selfie. And then you can adjust it here. You can adjust it in here. You can make it more beautiful like that. Mono. Wow. So good. Oh, I love this picture. So it's quite nice. I love this. So this, I did not buy it. I did not buy it for cash. So from T-Mobile, you can get phone. You can babayaran mo siya every month for 2 years. So just every month, di ba, I will just pay it for $35. So $35 for iPhone 16. Nice, guys. So wala lang, it's just updated. Kasi yung isa kong cellphone, yung iPhone Pro ko, ibigay ko yun sa asawa ko. Lucky husband, right? So that's all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. I love you all. This is Anatel signing off.